back with another haul. So we went to No Frills today to buy the Botanicas. So they are $5 each on sale. I had a $2 off printable coupon, which is still available. And I have the link in my bio to go print that out. And then Checkout 51 is giving back $3 per Botanica. And then if you process 2, they will give you back an additional bonus of $2 for 2. So because I have an account and then my husband has an account, we did 2 on his account and 2 on mine. So with the discount already at the store, with the coupon, and then with the Checkout 51 and the $2 bonus, these are actually 35 cent money makers per one. So I made 35 cents for this one. I made 35, they made 35, made 35. These guys here, so they are originally $2. So they were on clearance $1 each, and then Checkout 51 is giving back $1 per box as well. So these were free. So I got 2 of them. And then these are from Walmart. I had coupons that were about to expire tomorrow. So you had to purchase the 539 gram. So this is one of the largest bottles of Lysol. So it was $2 off. They were on sale from $5.97 to $4.97 plus the $2 off. So $2.97 for the enormous bottle of Lysol, which is a fantastic deal. And with COVID roaming around, we all need Lysol. So that is the haul. So I, again, paid $2.97 per Lysol. Those were free. And then these were money makers. All right. Thanks for watching. I'm going to claim some things on Checkout 51. And in case you guys have not used the app before, I'm just going to quickly show you how to do it. So I pull it up. You can scroll through the items. So Ryvita right now, it's $2 at my No Frills, and then I got it in the clearance sections, 50% off, so they were $1 each, and they are giving back $1. So I got 2 of them because you're allowed to claim up to 2 times. So I'm going to add offer 2, and then just go back because I also bought a Air Wick scent starter kit. So the Botanica is the one that I bought. Unfortunately, they only had 1. I would have loved to buy 2 so that I could get the Air Wick bonus, but I'll try another No Frills after. So I'm just going to add the offer, and I just have the 1. So once that's selected, you hit redeem on the bottom. So you have both your items. Like that. The Botanica, I already scanned the barcode, but it will ask for you to scan the barcode. So just confirm. I have 2 Ryvita crisps and then 1 Botanica. Continue. And then you're going to scan your receipt. And then it'll tell you. So $5, and my receipt came up to $5.65, so I just had to pay the tax for the Air Wick. That is it. And I'll show you here. It takes a little while. Sometimes it's instant, sometimes it's not, but they'll just tell you right away, usually, how much you've been approved for. So I will get the $5 because I got everything correctly. So check out 51.